Hi, in this video we can see that how we can implement radio button in a Flutterflow. So just I add child widget in a row, type here radio and radio button are added. So I increase it font size was 30 and here its value cricket. Now I add one text here and I increase font size 30 and I want to display here this radio button is selected. If selected, then cricket value is display here. So for that I add combine text and select widget state and radio button. Now I bind radio button's value with text. Now I going to reload the project. Before that, make sure project is saved. Now currently shown null. When I select a cricket, then cricket values display here, value is cricket. So this way we can add the radio button in Flutterflow UI.